Welcome to my Learn With Me series from Rad's Random. This being the first episode, I feel it necessary to start from the beginning. There will be several episodes in this series geared towards showing you how to design your own CAD files, then send them to your slicer to create the file to print with your printer. My anticipation is that there will be an ever-growing number of episodes in this series because there's always more to learn. And every time I learn something new, I will be adding it to the next episode. In the spirit of starting from the beginning, in this first episode, basically I'm going to show you where to download the programs that I use. We're going to start out with going to get your CAD designing software called Fusion360 by Autodesk. You can get the link from the description below. It's basically autodesk.com. There's a paid version and a free version. Just getting started, I think the free version will be everything you need. It's everything that I need so far. And the more I learn, I think at some point I probably will upgrade to the paid version. There's just a few more options that I can see that may be something I will look into. You're able to have several projects working on at the same time, and you can save as many projects in the archive as you want. So it's like a cloud storage for your projects, and it's for as many projects as you want. And you can have up to 10 working models that you're actually actively working on at one time, and those you can go back and forth between editable and read-only, so you can switch them back and forth as you need room. And again, this is the free version, so pretty cool. With the free version also, you can export your file to your slicer. The slicer is what creates your G-code that you will need to send to your printer to print out your 3D projects. One other thing that I like about Fusion360 is that there's a downloadable app for your Android, and I think for your Apple device as well. I have an Android phone, so I know it works on Android. But anyway, there's a Fusion360 app that you can go in and basically see your models, see your projects. You can't work on them in there, but you can see them and show them off, or show people what you're working on without lugging your computer around. The next thing you'll need is your slicer software. I think most 3D printers come with a slicer software. The ones that I've gotten did come with one. So you may not need this, but I'm using the Anycubic Chiron printer, and it came with Cura. So below I'm going to link the link the location where you can get Cura downloaded off the internet. It's also free. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, where you'll also see my Design With Me series that basically takes a project every week. I post new episodes every Thursday. Little projects that I do to show you and kind of inspire you in an entertaining way what your 3D printer is capable of and how creative you can be with it. I do new stuff every week. And also, subscribing to my channel, you'll see when I upload new Learn With Me episodes, so you can be able to catch the latest and greatest how-tos and continue this series. I also encourage you to leave comments below, any questions, or maybe I could take notes from someone who knows a little bit more than I do. There's always more than one way to do things, that's for sure. And all friendly and helpful comments are welcome. As soon as you get finished installing Fusion360 and you're ready to start making your own designs, come back for episode 2, where I'm going to show you the very beginning basics of creating your designs. Thanks, guys.